In this screencast, I'll show you how to customize a default skin that includes a clickable logo. In either Pano 2VR or Object 2VR, open the skin editor by going to Tools in the menu and then select Skin Editor. From here, you can choose a default skin by going to File and then Open. For this skin, I'm going to choose New Pop-up. If the default controllers don't suit your taste, check out the ones created by other users in the Garden Gnome software forums. So here's the skin, and it includes both a loading bar and controller. In the tree here, we can see the individual elements that make up the loading bar and controller. Over here in the left panel is the editor window where we see how the elements should look on screen. I could add this skin to my project as is, but there's one more thing I want to add, which is a logo that when the user clicks on it, they're directed to a website. To add the image or logo, click the Add Image button, and then locate your image and click Open. You can also drag your image into the editor window and then choose Image from the window that pops up. Or you can go to Elements in the menu bar and then choose Add Image. Here's my logo, and by default it's placed in the upper left corner. If you need to, adjust the window size of the editor so you don't have to scroll around. I don't want the logo in the left-hand corner, rather I want it in the right-hand corner. And it must stay there, so to make sure that it stays put, I need to anchor it. Anchoring keeps the element in its intended position, especially when the panorama or object is being scaled to the window. So now, when I adjust the window, you can see that the logo follows or sticks to the right corner, exactly what I want it to do. But if I were to keep the default anchor, the left corner, the image no longer sticks to the right corner. So I'll change it back. We're almost done. The last step here is to make the logo clickable. You do this by adding an action to the image. Double-click on the image, and in the Settings sheet, go to the Actions tab. Actions are like a set of directions, and the directions for this are that when a mouse clicks on the image, go to a URL, and that URL is gg-sw.com. You can leave the target field empty if you're unfamiliar with targets. Next, save the skin, and make sure it's being saved in the Garden Gnome Skins folder. Now, when you go to your project's Flash settings, you can pick your custom skin from the list of choices. If you need to edit the skin further, click Edit, make your changes, and save the skin. If you don't need to make any more changes, then you're done. Output the project and test your skin. Here's my project with the controller and my interactive logo, and when I adjust the movie window, the logo stays anchored to the right-hand corner.